Schwoz also invented an electromagnetic delivery cannon that can send objects very quickly over long distances.
Or very dangerously over short distances.
We'll blast it to you.
Blast it?
Yeah!
Okay, is Charlotte there? Because she's normal and I'd like to talk to her.
Sure, I'll put her on.
Hey, Henry, it's me, Charlotte. How about those teachers at school, huh? Real meanos.
Ray, I know it's you.
No way, it's your bestie, Charlotte. And I think you should just let Ray and Schwoz use the cannon and be thankful they're even giving you the super sucker. Fire from the hole!
On its way, kid!
Okay, when's it gonna get here?
Probably before I even finish this sentence. Comma? Which is technically still going, and a comma. It's taking a little longer than I expected. Go! Look at me!
Before it all goes down. Before it all goes down.
Henry!
Ah! Give me back my bread!
Beating on it won't help.
Then what are we supposed to do?